April's Closet. Today I have a lookbook for you from the haul that I did for pre-fall. I mixed it with some H&M clothing that I already had in my closet just so I can make like a collective collection of clothing for you today. I had so much fun. I had so much fun with the items I picked. They like fit perfectly into my wardrobe. I did notice a trend that I had going on. I had a stripe trend and didn't really mean to, but I guess that's kind of what I'm feeling right now. So I did have a stripe trend in there. I love H&M. I shop there a lot that I can kind of just pull anything from there, mix and match it with what I already have. Really, really good prices. And items that are more expensive or more pricey are worth it because they last long and they are like essential pieces in a wardrobe. So my favorite piece that I had is the blazer that you'll see, the striped blazer. It is just so cute to me. I don't know why I love it so much, but I love it so much. I love the color story that it tells. Like, it's just so cute. So that was my favorite piece, but I loved every single outfit that I made. I loved it all. I'm going to keep it all. I do have to go change some sizes, but I do really love everything that I grabbed. And I'm talking too much. I get it. So here's the lookbook. So there you go. I hope you liked it. All of those looks were really me. A lot of them are I would just wear hanging out with the kids or with the family on the weekends. Some of them I could wear to work. Others were more like date night type of outfits, but they were all really me. I didn't feel really forced picking out those outfits. I really did enjoy making outfits out of those items that I picked. So as you can see, that blazer is just ridiculous. It's so stinking cute and it fit me so well. It's just a really, really nice blazer. I could have popped the back flap that it's like a split that most blazers have. I forgot to like pop like they put in pieces of thread in the back and you pop it and it kind of lets the back blazer open a little bit. It kind of gives it a good look, makes like a more boyfriend fit blazer look a little bit more girly, in my opinion. Maybe all blazers are like that, but for me, I like to pop that, and I think I forgot to pop the thread. Also, don't forget to pop the pockets open, because usually it feels like the pockets are sewn shut, but they're not. They are kind of sewn shut, but you just pop the thread open and there you go, you got pockets. But yeah, I loved it. I love H&M. I think I said that 1,000 times. I love H&M. It's really easy for me to shop in there for myself and for my kids. If you didn't see the try-on haul, go back and watch that. I think I like this format where I just try the clothes on with like a black top, black bottom, so it doesn't really look like anything. You can just see the pieces, and then to come back and style the pieces. I think I like this format. Let me know if you like it or not. Comment down below if you'd rather me just style it to begin with. But I think I like it like that because I kind of felt like I was in a fitting room because I didn't try anything on first. So we'll see. We'll see how we continue to go on. But that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it because I really did. I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. And I'm having so much fun with you guys. So please, please, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Right there. Right there. It's in red. You hit it. And then you'll be able to see all my videos as they come out. Turn on your notifications so you get the ding, ding, the little bell that lets you know that I just posted a video. And please come back. Let's become friends. I'm having so much fun with you guys. Until next time, bye.